Okay, today we're popping out the windshield, pulling all the glass. We showed you the rear glass already. So there's going to be like 4 screws in here, and Hunter's pulling those, and those come out, and there's a metal piece on the outside. So you kind of see how that is. 4 screws hold that metal in. There's like a machine screw. It's got to be unscrewed more. Get it. And we get out here to the outside, and those 4 screws go into this chrome strip.
Do I need to pull that chrome strip?
It comes from out here.
Oh, that was easy.
Chrome strip comes off. The only thing left holding these in is these rubbers. And we're going to grab the knife and knock them out like we did on the last one. Okay. We are going to dig this knife in there. As we did check and make sure we could get new seals. The seals are so shot that I'm cutting them, but really there ain't much to them. Now, Hunter should be able to push that right out, start on this edge. Still too much? Yeah, don't bust it.
Yeah. A little bit more.
Okay, we're going to cut the top seal. I'm pushing out this corner. There we go. One out. Driver's side. This is nice, heavy, thick glass. And we're just going to pull that seal out.
Not that lucky. Oh, that's steel behind there.
Just cutting that outside edge. And this corner is so rotted that I just break it apart.
Probably can peel it out now.
Yeah, there's no sense of pushing it though. Now it'll push out.
Alright, ready?
Yep. And there's a passenger side.
Not too bad.
Really thick, heavy glass.
Really thick.
Not like the new stuff. Pull the seals out. Ready to sand and clean that up so you get good paint all the way through. The only other glass we got is the side doors. I'll show you that down the road here. Little by little, we're tearing her apart so we can put her back together. It's a great feeling.